From my scrappy life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Simple Story Saturdays, where we come together and use a different type of Simple Stories collection and pretty much use as much Simple Stories as possible. My title, because of the collection that I'm using, it's called From the Scrap Room Simple Stories Vintage Tis the Season. The only real title I got with this is Joy, and it's really kind of not what it's for, so I'm gonna add this in. I think I'm gonna get this in there, and then I did get this big old pack of the chipboards, and then I am going to throw in Spiegelman Scraps, their December collection, which is called Festive, that matches this. And then this is from Colorcast Designs. It's called Hot Cocoa Time, because this is my daughter's spread that she gets every year for hot cocoa. She is infatuated with anything cocoa related. Like, I could keep this up probably year round and she'd be just fine. But this is how I made it last year, so let's see what I can do. Okay, so we're going to get started with doing my distressing that I always do with the main paper, and I get it put down. I do realize that I accidentally put this in wrong, and I was able to pull it back up, get it straight. I used the red backing that it came with from the scrap room for my border this time, and then I do come in with the Distress Oxide, the Lumberjack Plaid, which is the same red that most collections kind of use that are from Distress Oxides. And so that's what I'm doing there. But here, you're seeing me gut the middle. The middle of this paper is because I'm going to probably use it as another border piece. But I wanted that red on my photo here because I wanted to leave at least 2 papers left to be able to get another layout out of this collection, because I am looking at trying to use some of these collections that I have that will only produce, like, for me, like 1 or 2 layouts, because you guys know that I am a heavy embellishers, and that's the one thing I do like about the scrap room is I get maybe 1 or 2 layouts out of it, maybe compared to other ones, but there's enough embellishments in there for that reason and still make it look like it's my own. So I did place all these wood chip veneer. So the the main bundle that I got were all these wood chip things. So that's what I'm using for my background of to try to cluster around this to give it that cluster. And then I do come in and I'm like, ooh, this will work. And then I do work with the word joy, because I like Hot Cocoa Time, and joy kind of puts together for my daughter. Like I've said in the past, every year she gets a hot cocoa, a hot cocoa bar, and I do leave this part up in my house until around the end of February. She drinks hot cocoa year round anyway, even in the middle of the summer. If I go to Starbucks, it's hot cocoa. So I do, it gets left up, but I change around. One of them says Santa's milk and cookies or something. That bin, I just flip around and it just stays white. The spot where all of her stuff goes in is actually white, and then the writing is just in the front. It says milk and cookies, but I know it says something about Santa, so then I just flip it so that it stays out. That's all that is. I do go and look at kind of like what I wanted to do up in the corner. You'll see me kind of put some few things together, and I placed this little bit up here because I wanted the snow, because we don't get snow normally in Georgia, like very seldom, at least where I'm at in Georgia. And so I always add a bunch of white snow to my layouts, or like white paint to make it look like snow because I don't get snow. And I wanted to be able to put down the word festive because this is a collaboration with Simple Story Saturdays YouTube Hop, where all of us ladies use simple stories. And then I did collaborate this with Spiegel Mom Scraps. It is one of my design team layouts using festive for adding like extra snow, which is the sequence mix. I know that the word festive is got the different color tones in it, but it works out for this collection and for this layout. So I do place that. Make sure that you use my code Miranda15 for a discount for 15% off of Spiegel Mom Scraps. I will also link down this hot cocoa time is still available in the shop. This one, I can't remember if this is the old version and the new version is in there, or if this is the new version, because I have both. So I can't remember if this is the one I got last year, I should say, or the new one for this year, because I have both. But I will link what's left available for hot cocoa in the comments down below. And then make sure you go check out everybody that is doing Spiegel Mom, or that is doing Simple Stories. All of their collections are amazing. I love joining this group of ladies and doing that, the hop. I am sorry for my voice, probably cutting in and out. I'm still getting over this nasty flu that I've got, and I just wanted to get some creativity done. And I know probably in the comments y'all are going to be like, Miranda Weber, however you want to call me, you need to get some sleep. But I promise you I am. I'm just tired of being in my bed. Getting over this mess. So I am going in and adding 3 little dots, and then I do go back in with gold splatters from Shimmer's Paints. So make sure that you go check out everybody. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you. I would love to hit 4,000 subscribers by the end of 2024. And I am on my way to that. I am halfway there, so I should be able to get another 500. So here are the still shots. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.